Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to achieve a soft natural makeup look within 5 minutes. Yeah guys, so let's get right into this video. First, let's start with our skin prep process. The product I'm about to use at drugstore, and it doesn't necessarily mean it's not going to do the job or perform the magic. So I'm going to start by cleansing my face with a micellar water. Next, I'm going with my face serum and moisturizer. Then I'll apply my sweat block and primer. Next, I'm going to use a lightweight foundation that matches my skin tone to even out my complexion. I'm applying it with my beauty blender to get a seamless finish. Using a dark shade of foundation to contour my cheekbone area and my forehead, the hairline area, I'm also going to add a touch of color on my cheeks with a peachy blush. This gives my face a healthy rosy glow that looks super natural. Next, I'm concealing my blemishes or dark circles under my eyes with a concealer that's one shade lighter than my foundation. A little tricks I like to use is to apply concealer in a triangle shape, starting from the inner corner of my eyes and working my way outwards. I'm done blending my concealer and I'm going to set and bake my concealer with a setting powder. What I like to use is a powder, my shade of powder from a powder palette. That is what I like to use after blending my concealer. Then I'm going to apply powder on the rest of my face before I go in to bake it. forgot to tell you guys that after applying the powder on the rest of my face, and I'm going to go in with my setting spray to set my face before I'll go in to contour my nose and then bake. To define my brows, I'm using a brow pencil, poly brush, hair wax, and a bit of concealer. Moving to my eyes, I'm using a light brown eyeshadow all over my lid to add some warmth and depth. I'm also lining my upper lash line with a brow pencil to define my eyes without looking dramatic. Finally, I'm adding a few coats of mascara to make my lashes pop. Up next, I'm going to line my lips with a gel liner, then go in with my nude lipsticks and gloss. Now I'm going to dust off the setting powder on my face with my shade of powder and then spread it all over my face. To finish up the look, I'm going to set my face with a setting spray. And that's it, a soft natural face makeup look perfect for everyday wear. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to try it out yourself and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.